Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to send money from your Rocket wallet to a DBBL bank account step by step. If you want to transfer funds directly from Rocket to a Dutch-Bangla Bank Limited (DBBL) account, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open the Rocket app on your phone and log in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on Bank Transfer. On the next screen, select Other Account. Now you'll see the transfer form. Under Account Type, leave it set to Account. Next, under the Bank section, select DBBL. After that, enter the DBBL account number where you want to send the money. Now enter the amount you want to transfer. Once you've entered all the details, tap on Next. On the confirmation screen, review all the information carefully. To confirm the payment, press and hold the arrow button as instructed on the screen. Once the transaction is confirmed, your payment will be processed, and the money will be sent successfully to the selected DBBL account. And that's it. This is how you can send money from Rocket to a DBBL account. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.